Hey, what's up, my visionaries? I'm Violet and welcome to Violet TV. I hope y'all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple winged eyeliner tutorial for beginners. I'll show y'all how to do wings like these, and these are just some things and tips that I've learned over the years and I wanted to share them with y'all. So with all that being said, let's just get right into it. First, all you will need is eyeliner, makeup remover, Q-tips, and a mirror. Start off by picking an eyeliner that works best for you and one that you're comfortable with. So personally, my favorite is either NYX or e.l.f. Fine and Precision Brush Tip Liquid Eyeliner with a tapered brush. I also use the NYX Felt Tip eyeliners to fill in my eyeliner. And in this tutorial, I will be using a NYX Felt Tip liner and an e.l.f. Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I always recommend those eyeliners because I feel like they are the easiest to apply and work with, especially if you're a beginner. And with these eyeliners, you're able to get really precise and sharp wings and lines. It's also easy to get as much or as little ink as you want on the brush. And I feel like you have the most control with these eyeliners. I always like to try out different eyeliners, but these are definitely my go-tos. I want you guys to use an eyeliner that you like and one that works for you. It does not have to be fancy at all. I will also be going into much more detail about different eyeliners in another video, so definitely look out for that. Next, make sure your elbow is in a soft and comfortable position. This will help with stability when you're applying your eyeliner. I use either a pillow or any soft and sturdy surface. Then rest the palm of your hand right under your eye and on your cheek. And whether you are right or left-handed, you will do the exact same thing for each. This will also help with stability and control. Now once you've done that, you want to hold your eyeliner with your fingers in a comfortable position. I hold the eyeliner with my thumb, pointer, and middle finger because I feel like I have the most control this way. One tip is to not have too much ink or product on the brush to start with, because that way you can make almost an outline first, then you can fill it in after. And most importantly, if you mess up, it'll be easier to clean up after because there's less ink on it. Think of the eyeliner like a paintbrush and your face as a canvas. Now, take the eyeliner and you can either start at the inner corner, the middle of your eye above your pupil, or the outer corner of your eye to begin your wing. Start at wherever is most comfortable for you, but I believe starting at the inner corner is the easiest for me. So, I usually start the line at my tear duct. Then I will extend the line into the outer corner of my eye. As you make this line, stay close to your eyelash line to help as a guide. Also, just take your time and go slowly, you got this. Once you start drawing your line, another tip is to make sure you're breathing slowly so that your hand can be as steady as possible and so that you are able to create your line as even and as sharp as possible. Lastly, go slow and take small strokes. Doing all of these things will help prevent the least amount of mistakes. Once you have that first line done, you can go back over it to make it as thin or as thick as you want. Most of the time, I make my line thinner and smaller towards my tear duct. Then as I extend towards the outer corner of my eye, I make my line thicker so that it will transition evenly into my wing and will give my eye more depth. Once you have your line how you want it, we are going to start the hardest part, the wing. So to make your wing, you're going to start at the outer corner of your eye, then slowly flick your line going up towards your brow line. This will be the bottom of your wing. Once you've made that line, you are now going to make the top line for your wing and connect it to the bottom line of your wing. You can either start this line at the outer corner of your eye and connect the lines, or start at the end of your bottom wing line. Either way will work, but I usually start at the end of the outer corner of my eye to connect this line with the bottom wing line because I feel like you have more control over how big you make your wing. One more tip is that you can trace the shape of the wing first, so you have an outline, and then you can just color in your line. Another tip is that you can also make dots to map out your wing, and then it'll be like connect the dots. So, now that you've connected the top and bottom wing lines, this is the easy part. You just need to fill in your line, and you can go back over your wing and line to make it as thin or as thick as you want. Just wing it. depending on how large you want to make your wing, is how long you'll make your line. A good rule of thumb though is to make sure your line doesn't go past the end of your brow line. It's okay if you mess up your line because you can fix it anytime. So if you do make a mistake, take a Q-tip and any makeup remover and just clean it up. You can also use concealer with a Q-tip. Now do the same exact thing to your other eye. To help make sure both of your wings are even, compare each eye to each other using a mirror. I will usually go back and forth and work on both eyes to try to achieve similar and even wings. Now remember, when doing your wings and eyeliner, they're sisters, not twins. You do want them to look similar, but they do not have to be perfect at all. I know it can be challenging, of course, but it's not impossible. Just take your time, go slow, and keep practicing. You'll get there, girl. And it's okay if you mess up. I've been doing my eyeliner for years and I still mess up every single time I do my makeup. Just know that the more you practice, the easier it's gonna get. This is a progression of my winged eyeliner. It's taken me years to get the hang of it, so don't be discouraged. You can do this, girl. When I first started doing my eyeliner, I would watch tons of YouTube videos and still do. Just remember to not put too much pressure on yourself because you're still learning. We all are. You'll get there eventually. Just take your time, be patient, and keep practicing. You got this, queen. Please go easy on yourself and have fun. Once you're done with your wings and clean your lines up on both eyes, you're done. Now I'll just finish it off by putting on mascara. And lastly, I'll use setting spray once I have all of my makeup done. This helps a lot also to prevent the eyeliner from bleeding. And that's it, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed my tutorial and hopefully y'all learned something too. If you did, then please like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton and I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you never miss one of my videos. You can also find me on Twitch and TikTok, and I'll link both of those down below. I'll also be doing makeup live on Twitch and giving makeup tips to my subscribers. And let me know what makeup tutorial y'all want to see next and put them in the comments down below, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace, y'all.